Getting the frustrating out of video memory error while playing Marvel Rivals. Don't worry, I've got the solutions to fix it and get you back to gaming in no time. Stick around to find out the exact steps that actually work. First, reduce the game's graphics settings to lower the strain on your GPU. Here's how to do it. Launch the game and go to Settings. Navigate to the Graphics section. Lower options like Texture Quality, Shadow Quality, and Post-Processing. Set Resolution Scale to 100% or lower. Save the settings and restart the game. Pro tip: use full screen mode instead of borderless window for better performance. Outdated graphics drivers can cause memory issues. Follow these steps to update them. Press Windows plus X and select Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Pro tip: download the latest drivers directly from the official NVIDIA or AMD website for the best results. If your system is running low on physical memory, increasing virtual memory can help. Here's how to do it. Press Windows plus S, type Advanced System Settings, and hit Enter. Under the Performance section, click Settings, go to the Advanced tab and click Change under Virtual Memory. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Select your system drive, usually C, and choose Custom Size. Set initial size to 1.5x your RAM in MB. Set maximum size to 3x your RAM in MB. Click OK and restart your PC. Make sure your drive has enough free space. If your disk is nearly full, it can trigger memory errors. Here's what you can do. Delete unnecessary files or move them to another drive. Use Windows built-in disk cleanup tool to clear temp files. Ensure at least 10 to 15% of your drive is free for optimal performance. Close any background apps that consume memory and GPU resources. Follow these steps. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus S to open Task Manager. Under the Processes tab, look for apps using high memory or GPU. Right-click them and select End Task. Pro tip: disable startup programs. You don't need to free up resources automatically. If none of the above works, your game files might be corrupted. Here's what you can do. On Steam, go to your library and right-click Marvel Rivals. Select Properties greater than Installed Files greater than Verify integrity of game files. If issues persist, uninstall the game and reinstall it. And there you have it, several proven solutions to fix the out-of-video memory error in Marvel Rivals. If this video helped you, hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more error fixes and gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!